Makeup tutorial for people with wrinkles. As we age, our skin undergoes changes that can sometimes make makeup application a bit more challenging. Wrinkles and fine lines can make it harder to achieve a smooth, flawless finish. But fear not. With a few simple techniques and the right products, you can create a beautiful, age-defying makeup look that enhances your natural beauty. Preparation is key. Before you even think about applying makeup, it's important to properly prepare your skin. Cleansing and moisturizing are essential steps that can help your makeup go on more smoothly and last longer. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup residue. Next, apply a moisturizer that's specifically designed for mature skin. Look for products that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which can help plump up the skin and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Once your moisturizer has fully absorbed, it's time to apply a primer. Primers help to create a smooth, even canvas for your makeup, and they can also help your makeup stay in place for longer. Look for a primer that's specifically designed for mature skin, as these products often contain ingredients like collagen or peptides that can help firm and tighten the skin. Apply the primer all over your face, focusing on areas where you have fine lines or wrinkles. Conceal and brighten. The next step is to apply a concealer to any areas that need extra coverage. If you have dark circles under your eyes or age spots, a good concealer can help to hide them and create a more even skin tone. Choose a concealer that's one shade lighter than your skin tone and apply it using a small, flat brush or your fingers. Gently tap the concealer into the skin, being careful not to pull or tug on the delicate under-eye area. To brighten up your complexion, use a highlighter to add a subtle glow to your cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. Look for a cream or liquid highlighter, as these tend to look more natural on mature skin. Apply the highlighter using a small brush or your fingers, focusing on areas where the light naturally hits your face. Choose the right foundation. Choosing the right foundation is key when it comes to creating a flawless makeup look on mature skin. Look for a foundation that provides medium to full coverage, as this can help to hide any imperfections without looking too heavy or cakey. You may also want to consider a foundation that contains anti-aging ingredients, such as retinol or vitamin C, which can help to improve the texture and appearance of your skin over time. When applying foundation, start by using a small amount and blending it in well. Use a brush or a sponge to apply the foundation, working in small circular motions. Be sure to blend the foundation down your neck and onto your chest, to avoid any harsh lines or color discrepancies. Set it in place. To ensure that your makeup lasts all day, it's important to set it with a powder. Look for a loose powder that's specifically designed for mature skin, as these products tend to be finely milled and less likely to settle into fine lines and wrinkles. Use a large powder brush to apply the powder all over your face, focusing on areas where you tend to get oily, such as your T-zone. Define your features. Once your base makeup is in place, it's time to define your features.